everybody? I'm here today to tell you how to keep your car's AC blowing ice cold air. This will be a simple tutorial for your car's air conditioner. And if you want to keep that air blowing ice cold, this is a video for you. I'll be going over 5 things that you can do. Number 1 is replace your cabin air filter. A lot of people don't know this. A lot of people have had their cars for 20 or even 30 years and they've never replaced their cabin air filter. And your cabin air filter basically filters through the air that's actually blowing out of your vents inside of your car. And in most cases, it can be easily replaced within a matter of a couple minutes. It's really easy to do. You can look up the tutorial for your specific car, okay? Now, when your cabin air filter is old and dirty and clogged, it can get, if it's old and dirty, it can get clogged up a little bit. And with that being said, when it gets clogged, it's not gonna allow the cold air to make it through into your car, basically. So what's gonna happen is the air is gonna be limited from coming into your car, therefore it's gonna warm up by the time it actually gets into the car. So it's gonna really warm up the air. It's not gonna be ice cold, okay? Number 2, recharge your air conditioning system, okay? Obviously your air conditioner has a certain freon inside of it, has a certain type of liquid basically inside of it that allows it to blow ice cold air. Over time, for pressure leaks and just over time in general, air conditioners usually lose their charge. You gotta recharge it. It's really easy to do yourself, but even if you gotta bring it to a mechanic, it's so cheap to do. I recommend that you do it every couple years. Just recharge your AC system. It's just something that's easy and good to do. Number 3 is make sure that your engine belts are in good working order, okay? Now, your air conditioner is a unit that basically runs off of the belt of the engine. So you have a belt that's turning when your engine is on, and basically your air conditioner will turn with that belt. So essentially what you want to do is make sure that the belts of your car are in good working order. If those belts are in good working order, then your air conditioner is gonna be able to run more easily. If your belt is having trouble turning because it's dirty or old or worn, then the air conditioner is actually gonna suffer as well. So you gotta make sure that your belts are in good working condition. Number 4 is let out the hot air first. So if you get in your car and you turn on your AC to max, so you go max AC right away, it's gonna be a problem. It's not gonna be that cold, because when you have your AC on max, on the max AC setting that your car has available, it's either gonna be a knob or a button or whatever the case is, or on climate controlled, it might be a digital option on the screen. It's taking the air from within the car and just cooling that air. Okay, so it's already taking the super hot air from when you get in the car and it's cooling it. What you want to do is when you first get into the car, open the windows for a few moments, let all of that hot air out. Once that hot air has escaped, then you close your windows, turn your max AC on. And that will make sure that it's cooling down air that is already lukewarm instead of boiling hot in the car. Okay, so basically let all the hot air out first, then turn it to max AC. Number 5, set the settings to the max cold settings. Now, many cars, in the older type of cars where they have knobs, like my wife's Mazda 3 has the knob setting. So you just turn it to the coldest setting, okay? Push AC, make sure the AC button is on, and just make sure it's set to max AC. Turn your fan to the highest setting, okay? And then you can choose the option for sending the air wherever you want. You know, it can be the footwell and the phase setting, it can be the windshield setting. It's all gonna be the same, but make sure the coldest option is set, the AC is on, and the highest fan setting is on. In newer cars, like in this CR-V where you have like a climate control system, it's a little bit more difficult. You wanna turn the temperature to the lowest. So there's actually a lowest number, and then if you turn it more, it actually says low. So that means that low is like, I'm just gonna keep blowing cold air, or the lowest setting, the lowest temperature setting. So make sure that you're actually setting it on the appropriate settings for blowing ice cold air, not like just, you know, make sure your max AC is set, make sure you're on the coldest option, make sure your air conditioner is on, and make sure you're on the highest fan setting. If you've set up all those settings, you should be good to go. That's it. That is how to keep your car's air conditioner blowing ice cold air. A simple tutorial. If you like this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up. Let me know what you think down below as a comment. And of course, be sure to subscribe for more great videos just like this one. And that's all I have for you today. Thanks for watching.